Good morning, everyone. I am Spencer Valiaspin-Dichos, a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, and also a National Certificate holder in Electrical Installation Management 2. And I am applying for both junior and senior high school. Okay, I am going to demonstrate today about simple circuit using a three-way wall switch. A simple trivia: a three-way wall switch is a common type of light switch that makes it possible to control a ceiling light or other electrical fixture from two different locations in a room. Now, we should always remember that a three-way light switch has two travelers and one common, which is numbered as 0. The common is 0 and the travelers are numbered 1 and 3. Now these are the materials to be used. We need two three-way wall switch accompanied by two utility boxes and our flexible hose to protect our wires and two junction boxes and receptacles for our light bulb. And don't forget our circuit breaker for the safety of this demonstration or what you are going to install. First thing we need to do is we need to identify first in the circuit breaker the live wire and the ground. Once we identified it, we will first connect the ground to our light bulb. Then we will now connect the live wire to our common in our first three-way wall switch. And after connecting the live wire from the circuit breaker to our common in the three-way wall switch, which is numbered as 0, we will now travel the wire using the traveler 1 and traveler 3. No? We will first connect the traveler 1 to the traveler 1 of our second three-way wall switch. After, we will connect the traveler 3 to the traveler 3 of our second three-way wall switch. Okay? Next to do here, or our last step, we will connect our common from the second three-way wall switch to our light bulb. Now this is this one. Okay? Now be careful, huh? While you are wanting to connect this one, you can use these materials or the pliers. And if you want to skin the wires, you need to have a electrical cutter or anything. So if you're young enough, you need an adult for help. Okay, now we will try it. We will turn on first the circuit breaker. Now then let's have a situation. I am at living room and I want to turn on my light and in my bedroom, so I will turn it on in the living room. Now I went to my bedroom because I want to sleep. I want to turn the light off inside my bedroom. Okay, then I woke up. I turned my light on in my bedroom, and then I want to turn it off in the living room. That's it. That's why it is very useful using this three-way wall switch. I guess that is all for today, and God bless and good morning.